So we have already revoked the licenses of the 3 drivers. No. Pero may problema kami kasi ayaw i-give up ng Florida yung tagputang driver. So we are demanding them to give up those drivers. Kung hindi, mas bibigatan natin ng penalty sa buong kumpanya. Pag hindi nila ginawa yun, pag hindi nila give up yung mga driver, kakansilahin ng LTO yung registration ng mga bus na yun, ng mga buses na involved. And hindi nila magagamit yan. We're giving them until Monday.
Kasi napakasimple lang naman na request natin, no? Tapos kung wala namang kasalanan, madali may paliwanag, no? Oo. The mere fact that they are not volunteering this evidence, the presumption of law is that the evidence that they have is adverse to them. So, mas lalo lumalalim na kanilang problema.
Assuming na pass forward, kitang-kita sa video na inoperate nila magkasalubong. Bawal yun. Okay? Magkasalubong. Paano kung may sasakyan na kasalubong? Tapos may tinamaan doon. May namatay doon. Would they be giving the same defense? I don't think so. Kitang-kita naman natin eh.